Mama Mai Chiwenga vaita rock the national dress yet again, this time vachisa ka great Zimbabwe ka this and that. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Asa Mai Venika, guys. Style uchete aiwa vanofarisa. She represented Matebele land with so much pride. Naika Happy Defense Forces Day to us vakanyora. Today's dress was inspired by Ndebele Queen with a Munumutapa heart theme to incorporate different aspects of the history of Zimbabwe. When I told Cisneo Jodao that I wanted a great Zimbabwe ruins plus Ndebele culture inspired dress, I thought I was pushing him too hard. But as always, he never disappoints. You can actually see kuti Mama is all about uniting the different cultures. Vasvika ipapo as a Ndebele woman, vachi represent the Matebele land, and vabva vaisa zvakare the Shona culture apa pachest apa naika kuradza kuti we are one, we are all Zimbabweans. Vanhu vakawanda came through vakati Mama makanaka, you are beautiful, looking amazing. Vamwe vakati body goals zvichienda zvakadaro. Umama wetu siyabonga so much for representing us. Do leave your comments on what you think about dress renyika. This national fabric iri kuramba ichikwira to another level. The last time yanga ine shiri, this time in a great Zimbabwe. I bet the next time change in a Victoria Falls. Chero Chiwenga these days is so guys. Glow is on another level.